Else, an architectural duo, created Trace of Land for SMACH 2025, the International Open-Air Art Biennale in Italy's Dolomites. The installation occupies the alpine pastures of Valbadia's Armentara slopes, transforming the functional hay bale into sculptural landscape architecture. The concept materializes as an unfurled round hay bale, creating a continuous, meandering path across undulating terrain. The structure alternates between resting directly on the ground and rising on a lightweight frame to form elevated passages and shaded canopies. Vertical rebars driven into the ground connect with horizontal steel rods, creating minimal structural support. Wire mesh stretched across this frame holds the unfurled hay, which is secured with grass ropes. This construction method ensures adaptability to varying terrain while maintaining a minimal environmental footprint. The geometry follows the meadow's natural contours, with rising and falling forms that echo the Dolomite ridgelines. The installation dialogues with traditional Ladin tabla, wooden barns characteristic of these valleys, bridging contemporary intervention with regional building heritage. Rectangular hay bales placed along the path provide seating, reinforcing the relationship between functional and abstract elements. The material choice carries layered significance. Hay bales, often romanticized as agrarian remnants, actually represent industrialized agricultural processes involving mechanical bundling, transport, and storage. This connects to SMACH 2025's theme, Whetstone in Ladin, which examines relationships between human labor, tools, and landscape. Released from compressed form, the hay reveals porous, layered textures that filter light through the canopy, creating tactile experiences of roughness and delicacy simultaneously. The installation invites visitors to walk along and beneath the straw canopy, moving with the pasture's topography. The temporal dimension completes the architectural concept. As hay naturally decays, it returns organic matter to the earth, embodying cycles of use, transformation, and renewal inherent to both agriculture and architecture.